So let's continue with instanced rendering or instancing. This is where we left off in the last video. We are giving this float offset to the x and the y position of the vertices, and in this video I'm going to use, instead of just a float, a vector 3 as the offset. So I'm gonna delete all of this, uncomment this instance array, and I'm going to create an offset variable, offset equals 1, and create a nested for loops. So in range, let's say from 0 to 50, and the step size will be 2. And for the y, in range 0, 50, step size 2. And for the x, for x in range 0, 50, and step size 2. Okay. So I'm going to create here translation, which will be equal to a vector 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now the translation dot x will be equal to x plus the offset. Yes. The translation dot y will be equal to y plus the offset, and the translation dot z will be equal to the z plus the offset. Okay. And the instance underscore array, instance array that append, and the translation. Okay, now we have to convert this into a NumPy array. So instance underscore array equals NumPy that array instance array, and the type will be the NumPy that float 32. And remember to use float 32, not float 64, because it won't work with float 64. So the next thing, so now we have an array of vectors, and the next thing, instance array the item size times the length of it's okay. Now we are giving to the vertex attribute pointer 3 values, not just one float, and we need to change the vertex shader, so it will be vector free offset, and now the position.x plus the offset.x, position.y plus the offset.y, and I'm going to leave the position.z for now. Oh, let me see what we have. Okay, I think we need more cubes, so it's, let's say, 50 with a step size 2, it is 25, and 3 times 25, not 3 times but 25 cubed is 15,625. Let's say what we have. We have a wall of cubes. Let's add the offset here to the z, position.z. Oh, it's interesting. Of course, I need to give it as offset.z, the z component of the offset vector. And now we have a bunch of cubes. So let's draw even more cubes. And I'm gonna change this to 100, this to 100, and this to 100, which means with the step size of 2 it will draw 50, 50, 50, so 50 cubed, 125,000 cubes. So let's change this to 125,000 and move the view back, let's say negative 50. Oh yes, even more, so negative 80, let's say. That's many cubes. Let's move it back to negative 50. And what else I wanted to do? It will be nice to fly with a camera system, so I decided to, in the next 2 or 3 videos, to implement a camera system, a fly-through camera. So I think that's all what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. And a quick note, now it looks like this, but if I flatten out this array, flatten this instance array, it looks like this. So I don't know what's happening here, but I think it looks better with the flattened array. So okay.